Alright, in this video we're going to review using tangent to find different ratios and for solving for missing lengths. So let's look here at number 3. The problem's asking me to find the tangent of z. So z is going to be my reference angle, and I'm going to be finding the tangent of that angle. So what I need to do is I need to get the ratio of the opposite leg to the adjacent leg. So it's helpful to identify the opposite by drawing an arrow from the reference angle to the opposite side. And also it's helpful to label your hypotenuse so you don't misinterpret that for your adjacent. So the tangent of angle z is going to equal opposite over adjacent. Okay, we can simplify that to 3/4, and we can also convert that to a decimal. So the tangent of z is 3/4 or 0.75. Okay, let's do one more of those. So let's look at the tangent of c, number 4 here. So again, I'm going to draw an arrow from the reference angle to the opposite side. I'm going to label my hypotenuse, and I'm going to label my adjacent. So the tangent, let's do this one up here, of angle c is going to equal 27 over 36, which again equals 3/4, that's just a coincidence, 0.75. So I'm writing this as a fraction and I'm reducing the ratio. Okay, let's do one more. Hopefully we can get a ratio that's not 0.75. So tangent of A, opposite, label hypotenuse, adjacent. Okay, the tangent of angle A equals the opposite over the adjacent, 21 over 20. And that actually does not reduce nicely. So we'll pop that in our calculator, convert it to a decimal. We get 1.05. Alright, and that's how you find the tangent of an angle in a right triangle.